Hey guys, welcome back to another Healthy Helpings video. Today I'm your host Brandon with Health Empowers, and we're going to be making a simple yet delicious 4-ingredient smoothie. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so if your household is anything like mine, smoothies are a very big staple, and if they're not, that's completely okay. I'm sure with this recipe they will begin to be a big staple in your house. And this is a very basic base smoothie. I want to go ahead and preface this by saying feel free to add in whatever you like to this. This is a great, like I said, a great base to start with, but you can mix and match with whatever fruits and veggies you have handy. And also if you want to add anything else to this, feel free to do so. So like I was saying earlier, this is a 4-ingredient smoothie, super simple. All we're starting with, every smoothie has to have some type of liquid base. So for today, we're going to be using water, and this is just 1 cup of water. I'm going to add this right into my blender. So all we're going to do is add this cup of spinach right into our blender. All of this has already been washed beforehand. And then we're going to add in our frozen berries. A couple more in there. Then I've just got 1 regular sized banana. Just going to peel this. And just to make it a little bit easier on my blender, I'm just going to break it up into chunks. Just like this. Just little bite-sized chunks. Like this. So after we have all of that in there, all that's left to do is blend this all up. Now I've picked these fruits and vegetables for a specific reason. All of them are rich in nutrients in their own way. All of the berries are rich in antioxidants, which may lead to a reduction in stress, which is great for times like right now. And then they're also high in fiber. The banana is rich in vitamin C and B6. Also a great way to incorporate some fiber to help promote digestive health. And finally, the spinach is high in vitamin K and calcium, and it's great for bone health. All right, now that we have all of our ingredients added in, the only thing left to do is mix. So we're gonna place this on here, lock that into place, click the on button, and we're gonna click on smoothie. All right, that's all done. Oh man, it smells so good. I wish y'all could smell it right now. But that is what we're looking like. Rich in fiber, vitamin C, B6, vitamin K, calcium, rich in antioxidants, and gonna be a great sweet treat for you and the family. I really hope you guys enjoyed this super simple and quick recipe that's gonna be great for either you or your family. And until the next one, we'll see you back here for more Health Empowers videos. Bye guys.